Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. I got kind of a little bit of a different video for you guys. You can see I'm here in beautiful Park City, Utah. We're actually out here masterminding and helping one of our clients build and grow their own affiliate marketing business. Now, we've also released something pretty dang special for you guys. I want to show you on the inside of the room here. It's called the Six-Figure Partner Program. Some of you guys have heard of it, some of you guys haven't, but we released it in the past 24 hours. And I actually want to show you the results that we've been able to generate. So you can see we're here in our hotel room, and I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to sit here in the seat and show you guys the results. So you can see that we're in our affiliate back office in Kartra. And you can see that today's Thursday, October 24th, 2019. And I'm just going to go from the 23rd to the 24th, the past 24 hours. I'm going to select go, and we're going to scroll down here. And you can see once I select cells right here, this is pretty cool stuff. Let me just press it one more time. And you can see the past 24 hours of launch. Karen Marrow generated 4 cells from the teachings inside of the Six-Figure Partner Program. We've got Victor, who got 3 cells. Let me see if I can zoom in on this a little bit more for you guys. 3 cells for Victor. Nate got 3 cells. And Nick got 2 cells. Randy, 2 cells. Mervin, 2 cells. And Jonathan, 1 cell. So I think that's like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cells in the past 24 hours, you guys. So if you want to be a part of this very special opportunity, I would invite you to book a call with us, one of our certified coaches, or myself, or my business partner, Brian Dixon. This is not a high pressure sales call. We genuinely want to see if you're a good fit, because we only accept people that we can produce results with. So we don't bring in a whole lot of people, but the people that we do bring in, we've got a very incredibly high success rate, as you can see, because it's pretty much a copy and paste plan that we give you. I'm allowing you to copy my 6-figure business. I've been doing this for about 6 years now successfully. And what I've done is I've created a process where you can literally duplicate me without all the guesswork, without having to be on camera, without having to learn all this techie stuff or this complicated marketing. You can literally get started today and start producing sales and results right out of the gate. So if you want to be a part of this very special limited opportunity, all you need to do is click the link below in the description. And by the way, I'm going to be giving you guys updates day by day for the next while, showing you guys the results that our brand new customers are creating every single day by leveraging the teachings inside the Six-Figure Partner Program. So once again, click the link below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.